What does freedom mean?
That question started our journey. How do we help someone keep enjoying their freedom? Decades ago, we committed to one mission. Freedom should feel natural to everyone. In the Netherlands, cycling is a way of life. Over a century ago, we opened our first bike factory in Amsterdam. This is where freedom takes form, inside Europe's largest factory for special bicycles. For more than 100 years, we've been building bikes. And for over 40 years, we've been creating adapted bicycles with care and craftsmanship. Here, our teams work side by side, designing, crafting, and refining every detail. We design, we weld, we assemble, and we test. Nothing leaves this factory without passing through our hands. Not one bike. Every bike we make begins with a person, not with a standard model. And when a bike is ordered, we start right away, because quality is something you build with care, together. Innovation starts with understanding what someone needs to feel confident again. Every rider is different, and every story has its own rhythm. So each bike begins with the same question: what helps this person enjoy the ride? To answer that, we develop every part of the bike in-house, from geometry and ergonomics to software and electronics. This way, every angle, material and component work in harmony to make cycling easier. In 2011, we introduced our own electric pedal assistance, a system that feels natural, intuitive and moves with you. It is designed for tricycles with unique features, specifically for you. The Tuya, designed from the ground up, is a testament to this philosophy. Awarded for its innovation, it delivers remarkable stability, blending form and function beautifully. Confidence has never looked this good. From our factory in the Netherlands, our bikes travel to riders across the world, fully assembled and ready to enjoy. Dealers trust our quality because it comes straight from our hands. Riders feel their bike was made for them, because it was. It's rewarding knowing that these bikes make a meaningful difference in people's lives, wherever they ride. You can feel the care and attention to detail the moment you start riding. Everything we do is to offer the best cycling experience for the rider. A bike can open up your world again, whether you're visiting friends, enjoying nature, or simply feeling the wind in your hair. It's freedom in its purest form. Tomorrow's freedom begins with today's ideas. With fresh perspectives, we keep pushing forward, finding new ways for people to stay active, confident and connected. Every bike brings us one step closer to a world where everyone can experience the freedom of cycling. We've come a long way, but our journey is just beginning.
vanRaam. Let's all cycle.